Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and I'm going to show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working. Your phone features a physical capacitive fingerprint sensor integrated directly into the side power key. When the sensor becomes unresponsive, face recognize prints or displays fingerprint sensor not responding, you need to at first clean the side key and check the case alignment. Capacitive sensors rely on direct surface contact, dust, skin oils, moisture, or tight protective cases can prevent reading. So, at first you need to take yourself a microfiber cloth. Wait a moment, because my paper fell off. Like this one. It doesn't have to be a microfiber one, any actually cloth, but it has to be dry and soft. Close your phone and wipe your button. Avoid wet wipes or liquid cleaners around the key seam. Number 2. Inspect case clearance. Aftermarket cases with thick cutouts or raised lips around the side key force your finger to touch and a steep angle, preventing a flat surface can remove your case temporarily to test unlock accuracy. So, if it works after that, we need to go even further. You need to delete and register your fingerprints. So, open your phone settings and here you need to scroll down to the security and privacy right here. Scroll down again to the screen lock and biometrics and enter your screen lock password. Here tap fingerprints. Tap fingerprint 1 and hit remove. And again remove. Now tap add fingerprint and continue. Here you should see an animation how to do that and hit register. Now you need to perform the circular movement on the power button. Circular up and down, left and right, or just some circles to have it set up to 100%. Tap done. Now you need to test it out. Here mine is correct. If your fingerprint is not correct, tap your fingerprint 1, improve accuracy, and scan your finger 10 times till you've got everything correct. Now accuracy has improved and now everything should be fine. If it still doesn't want to work, you need to turn on fingerprint always on. So let me go back to this because I actually didn't want to exit this. So security and privacy, and here you need to find the screen lock and biometrics. Again enter your password, and here not face recognition, pardon me, fingerprints. Here we've got fingerprint always on, enable current main screens. If the sensor only fails when the screen is turned off, the background wake service may be sleeping. So the result, the sensor will scan and lock your device immediately upon touch without requiring the physical button press first. So the next thing that we need to do is to disable finger sensor gestures. Open advanced features over here and here open motions and gestures. Here we've got double tap to turn on screen, palm hold to capture, double tap to turn off screen, and many actually others. Here you need to find, wait a moment, where is that? Here, double tap to turn off screen and disable this. Actually you can in addition disable all of them and everything should be fine after that, because your phone will just focus only on the fingerprint sensor. And that should be actually it. If it doesn't work, you need to contact the device support. Bye!